Having car troubles? Don't want to break the bank at the mechanic? Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics, welcome back to our weekly tools channel. Today we're comparing two popular OBD2 scanners, the budget-friendly MOTOPOWER MP69033 and the feature-packed Autel MaxiCheck Pro. We'll see which one roars and which one sputters. So, let's get started with the MOTOPOWER MP69033 car OBD2 scanner. If you're passionate about keeping your car in top-notch condition, this tool might just become your new best friend. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest automotive content. Quick and easy diagnostics. The MOTOPOWER MP69033 is designed to make diagnostics a breeze, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just someone who wants to understand what's going on under the hood. This scanner has got you covered. One of the best features of this scanner is its wide compatibility. It works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, which includes cars, trucks, SUVs, and even hybrids, manufactured from 1996 onwards. Reads and clears codes. Ever had that pesky check engine light pop up on your dashboard? Well, with the MP69033, you can quickly read the trouble codes causing the issue. And the best part, it also allows you to clear those codes once you've fixed the problem. Live data streaming. For the tech-savvy drivers out there, this scanner can stream real-time data from your vehicle's sensors. From engine RPM to coolant temperature, you'll have access to valuable information that can help you diagnose issues in real time. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive menu make navigation a piece of cake. Just plug it into your OBD2 port, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Compact and portable. The MP69033 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Whether you're taking it to the garage or using it on a road trip, this scanner won't be a burden. Built to last, MOTOPOWER is known for its durable automotive tools, and the MP69033 is no exception. Its rugged design ensures it can handle the demands of your garage or toolbox. Now, let's walk through how to use the MOTOPOWER MP69033 car OBD2 scanner. Locate the OBD2 port. The first step is finding your vehicle's OBD2 port. It's usually located underneath the dashboard, near the steering wheel. Once you've found it, just plug in the scanner. Turn on the ignition. With the scanner plugged in, turn on your vehicle's ignition. You'll see the scanner's display light up. Navigate the menu. Use the intuitive menu on the scanner to navigate through different options. You can read trouble codes, view live data, and more. Interpret the data. Once you've pulled up the data, take a moment to interpret it. If you're not sure about a code or a reading, the scanner usually provides a brief description to help you understand what's going on. Clearing codes. If you've fixed the issue causing the trouble codes, you can use the scanner to clear them. This will turn off the check engine light and give you peace of mind. Here are the pros and cons of the MOTOPOWER MP69033 car OBD2 scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, fast and reliable, reads all OBD2 codes, includes a built-in DTC lookup library, small and portable, backed by a 1-year warranty. Cons: cannot clear codes, does not have live data or graphing capabilities. The screen is small and can be difficult to read, not compatible with all vehicles. Overall, the MOTOPOWER MP69033 car OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic. Its ease of use, wide compatibility, and powerful features make it an invaluable addition to your toolbox. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, we've left a link in the description below. Autel MaxiCheck Pro. We'll be taking a deep dive into this powerful diagnostic tool, exploring its features, performance, and how it can revolutionize the way you handle vehicle diagnostics. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. The Autel MaxiCheck Pro is a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed for professional mechanics and avid car enthusiasts. This handheld device offers a wide range of functions to diagnose, troubleshoot, and maintain various vehicle systems. including the engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. It's like having a personal mechanic in the palm of your hand. One of the standout features of the Autel MaxiCheck Pro is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports over 40 vehicle makes from different regions worldwide, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of car models, whether you own a European, Asian, or American vehicle. The MaxiCheck Pro has got you covered. The MaxiCheck Pro also excels in its ability to perform advanced diagnostic functions. It can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, view live data streams, perform active tests, and even access the vehicle's ECU information. This level of detail allows you to pinpoint issues accurately and make informed repair decisions. Autel understands the importance of user-friendly interfaces, and the MaxiCheck Pro delivers on that front. The device features a large, vibrant color display with intuitive navigation menus, making it easy to navigate through various functions and retrieve information quickly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, you'll find the MaxiCheck Pro to be a breeze to use. Now, let's talk about some of the specialized service functions this tool offers. The MaxiCheck Pro allows you to perform oil service resets, electronic parking brake EPB calibrations, battery management system, BMS resets, steering angle sensor SAS calibrations, and more. With these functions at your disposal, you can ensure your vehicle's systems are in top shape. Staying up to date with the latest vehicle models and software is crucial, and Autel understands that. The MaxiCheck Pro features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to wirelessly download the latest updates directly to the device. This ensures that you have access to the most recent vehicle coverage and software enhancements, keeping your diagnostic tool current and relevant. The Autel MaxiCheck Pro is an impressive diagnostic tool that offers a wealth of features, excellent performance, and user-friendly operation. Its extensive vehicle coverage, advanced diagnostics, and specialized service functions make it an invaluable asset for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. So, if you're looking to take your vehicle maintenance game to the next level, we highly recommend considering the Autel MaxiCheck Pro. You can find more information and purchase links in the description below. Ultimately, the best scanner depends on your needs and budget. If you're on a tight budget and just need a simple tool, the MOTOPOWER is a great option. But if you want a powerful scanner that can tackle more complex issues, the Autel MaxiCheck Pro is worth the investment. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.